I was sent this Toiletry bag set for my review, and I'm so excited to check them out. I am obsessed with this color. You know what? It's not normally a color I would pick for myself, but I'm glad this is what was sent to me because it's really pretty. So this one comes with the mini, the small, and the large. And you can also get, like, if you just need a mini, if you just need a large or the small, you can also get them separately as well. But I am loving that I have all three. So I'm just going to open them up so that you can see size-wise. I do love that both the front and the back have that clear plastic. Oftentimes it's just in the front, and if you have things piled in here, you literally have to open it, but being able to see through like on both sides, I think that is really cool. Definitely the mini is nice and mini. I do love that. And the fact that they do stack inside each other when you're not using them. So if you're using them only for travel, it's nice being able to tuck them away. But if these become kind of like your everyday little like makeup pouches, obviously they will sit really nicely on the counter. The two bigger ones here have a handle. So you've got that great little carrying handle right here. Again, like I'm loving the plastic, the see-through plastic all the way around. Really good, sturdy, nice quality, really nice zippers as well. You've got the pleather here on that zipper part as well. Yeah, these are super nice. Again, I can't get over that it comes in a 3-pack, but as I did mention, if you don't need all three, you can get them separately. But really nice looking, really modern, really clean and crisp. I'm excited to start using these when I travel.